So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, are you confused about the concept of development? So, don't worry, by the end of this video, I will crystal clear you. So, so tell me, what do you understand by the term development? First of all, I want to tell you that development is the most important concept in economics. So, in simple words, development means the improvement in quality of life of people. And one more important point is development is not same for everyone. Different people have different developmental goals. For an example, a farmer may want better crop prices, a worker may want higher wages, and a student may want a good education and opportunities. So, what may be development for one person, not be development for another. So now the question is, what do people actually want? People want mix of things. People want mix of things. Some of these are material things. Material things like material things like income, money, and assets. Incomes are important because because it helps to fulfill our needs. But income is but income alone is not enough. People also want non-material things such as freedom, equality, respect, and security. And sometimes more income even harm these things. For example, for example, if a job if a job gives high salary but no time, no security, and no dignity. So, this is not called a true development. So, the real development means the balance of material and non material things. So, let us talk about a development at the national level. When we think about a country, different different persons have different notions that what development should be. So, so one of the most important goals should be the the overall well-being of person. To compare countries, economists use per capita income. It means average income of a person in a country. So, the higher per capita income country is considered a well-developed, while the lower per capita income is considered less developed. However, this is not the way to measure because the incomes do not tell us everything. So that's why we look at the other important factors such as healthcare, educations, educations, and many things. So 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 this helps to understand the quality of life and now let us talk about the most important thing is sustainability of development. So what do you understand by the sustainable development? So the sustainable development means using resources in such a way in such a way that the future generation will not meet their needs. So we should use resources carefully so the future generations will not have to suffer. So, so we must protect our resources, environment, and 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 in conclusion, I want to say that development is not just about earning more money. It is about creating a life such as freedom, equality, respect, security, and so on. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like my video, so thank you so much.